everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac GTO. This car has 782 miles on it since a complete frame-off restoration, which was actually done about 8 years ago. I actually sold this to a buddy of mine. He's had the car for 8 years. I think it had just over 200 miles on this car when he bought it. And it's been sitting in his collection. I think he put less than 500 miles on it the whole time he owned it. Awesome car, PHS documented car. It is a true GTO. This is the original color combination, 400 automatic with air, power steering, disc brakes, blue car, and really nice, man. We got it up on the hoist, took some pictures of the bottom of it. Like I say, it was done 8 years ago, but there's only just under 800 miles on this car since it was done. But beautiful car. Of course, it's one of my favorite year GTOs. I love the 67s. I love this front grille. Chrome and stainless, as you're going to see, is very nice. Most of that stuff has been replaced. There's not a whole lot that I can really nitpick on it. There you go, there's something. See a little stone peck there. I am going to convert the air. It's got the R12 air in it, and it's low anyways, so I'm going to have it converted over to the new air. We don't have that done yet, but we've ordered the pieces to do it, and that'll be done for whoever buys the car. Compressor works. The air, like I say, it will blow cold. We just haven't got it done yet. I wish we had some sunshine, but we're just not that fortunate today. I do have the PHS docks for the car. Vinyl top's in great shape. Look how nice the stainless and stuff is on this car. Very, very nice. Paint's slick. See how nice that thing is down the sides. Rally 2s on it with the PMD caps. It's got BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it. Nice car. And that, honestly, I know it sounds weird, but he's got a big car collection, and he just doesn't drive them a whole lot. Beautiful set of Rally 2s on it. Power front disc brakes. This is a 67 400 block, guys, but it's not the matching numbers engine. And I know a lot of people say, well, how do you know that? They didn't put VINs on them in 67. But you can also line up the unit number on these cars, okay? And I know it's not matching. It is a 67 400 block with the correct 670 heads on it and everything, but it is not the matching numbers block. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory AC. You can see it's got the Harrison radiator in it with the shroud. 400 tubohydramatic trans. Detailed up really nice, guys. It's just a good car. Car's just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. Great car. Nitpick that A-pillar chrome just a little bit. Original mirror. Couple little marks in the stainless there. Door handles are new. Again, this is your original color combination. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory His and Hers, Hurst His and Hers dual gauge shifter in it. Wood wheel. Look how nice the dash is on this car. Well, it's 786 now. We put 4 miles on it since we've owned it. AM radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10 bolt 323 safety track rear end. Factory jack with the spare. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk like it should be. Good looking car, man. Again, very nice on the bottom, guys. Got it up there, got it here, took a bunch of good pictures of the bottom of the car. Great car. It's been a struggle for me, man, to find these mid-60s GTOs. Everybody wants them, and they're not easy to get your hands on. Great investments, that's for sure. Dash is really nice. How nice everything. All the bezels and everything are really nice. Those door handles are new. Again, you can nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little bit. Again, we will make sure that that AC is charged, and it's going to be converted to the new air. The 134, I should say. Fuel gauge works. Backup lights work. Good car, real good car.
Got power coming out of it. I haven't been stationed up yet, though.
Yeah, I know when we turned it on, though, it got power. Yeah. Blower motor does work, guys. Love the stacked headlights cars, man. I love that front grille. It's my favorite grille on a GTO right there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook pages. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty car, man. I wish we had some sunshine. That's a real pretty color. Have a great day, guys.